Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. There was a long demand on this video कि सर RRB clerk means के लिए क्या कुछ टॉपिक पढ़ लें, what are the important months. So here's the video. I'll keep it very short, give you the complete brief based on the last year examination. If you are confused that I should study only static GK, you are wrong. Don't do that mistake कि सिर्फ static GK cover कर रहे हो. Last year the question paper was created from the combination of banking awareness, current affairs and static GK with the all three areas. So quickly एक go through कर देते हैं. One important thing, Hustle 2.0 batch price I have decreased to 279 rupees for your RRB clerk means examination. Its validity is till 31st of March. मैं अभी बता देता हूं, if you are joining it, its validity is till 31st of March, but you can target on your RRB clerk means examination with the support of Hustle 2.0 batch. If you are preparing for the next year, then go for 3.2. अगर next year के लिए तैयार कर रहे हैं तो 3.2 पर जाइए. चलिए, so last year examination date was on 6th of October 2024. यहां पर आपका एग्जाम था. Around 60% of question paper came from 3 months of current affairs. 3 months of current affairs created approximately 60% of question paper in the examination. Surprisingly, it was not September से क्वेश्चंस कम आए थे. Exam was on 6th of October. September month was over, but questions were less from the month of September. July, August and June, these were the areas जहां से आपके पास maximum questions थे, especially from the July and August. July-August maximum question came from these 2 months. July-August बहुत frequently थे in these 2 months से. Although we had the question from the month of March, April also, approximately 4 question in the examination, 1 to 2 question from March, 1 or 2 question from April, like this, approximately 4 questions were there from the month of March, April also. May was also. So overall, the concept of last 6 month current affairs was followed by the examination for sure. But I know that at the last moment you don't have time to focus or spend time over the last 6 month current affairs. Time नहीं है आपके पास कि अभी आप 6 मंथ का करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ रहे हो, टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हो. सो व्हाट यू कैन फॉलो एट प्रेजेंट, आई विल गिव यू द कंप्लीट ब्रीफ कि अभी क्या कर सकते हो क्विकली. 1st of February इज योर एग्जामिनेशन डेट, राइट? इस दिन आपका एग्जामिनेशन है 1st of February को. नाउ व्हाट यू कैन डू इज दिसंबर, नवंबर एंड अक्टूबर, दीज 3 months यू हैव टू कंप्लीट 100%. मतलब कोई भी टॉपिक मत स्किप करो. फॉलो टॉपिक वाइज करंट अफेयर्स, that is RBI circular, after that banking and financial news, government scheme, news of national importance, news of international importance, state in news, other important news including awards, trophies, sports, everything, books and authors, important days. इसको कंप्लीट करो आप 100%. ये 3 months मत छोड़ो. Don't take risk if you want to score good. So 100% कंप्लीट करना आपको 3 months. ठीक है? Approximately 60 to 65 क्वेश्चन पेपर आपका यहां से आ जाएगा. After that, you should also revise. At least you should do the MCQ revision. At least you should do the MCQ revision of September and August. Safer side. It is 100% important. Then this one must to do. So for keeping you safer side, that you will not be in that situation, I am able to clear the cutoff or not. To avoid that situation, September and August, if you are able to do these 5 months, I am not telling you to do these 2 months 100%. MCQ revision कर लो, at least one time go through with one topic. Detail नहीं कर पा रहे हो, it's fine, but MCQ revise कर लो in months का. June and July are optional. If you have prepared previously and you have time to revise, you can do that. If you have never touched, then skip these months. अभी छोड़ दो, अभी आपके पास time नहीं है. Questions will come. Approximately in your examination, you can say that 3 to 4 questions you will be able to see from this month also, but you can't do anything, you don't have time. आप इसको skip करो. ठीक है? What about January, sir? I would suggest you to cover the current affairs from 1st to 10th of January for your exam. At least 1st to 10th of January का current affairs आप कर लोगे. That is fine. I will complete it on YouTube. मैं YouTube पर करवा दूंगा आपके पास in the form of MCQs. Daily session we are already doing on 8 o'clock morning, but MCQs का एक session मैं करवा दूंगा 1st to 10th of January का. That will be more than enough. Till December current affairs you should complete in detail, in depth. Topics की बात कर लें, so rank, reports and surveys. Different type of surveys or reports issued by Niti Aayog, WHO. From there questions came last year. Rank of India in different index. Hinley Passport Index, what is the rank of India? World Innovation Index, what is the rank of India? तो इसके ऊपर भी आपसे टॉपिक पूछा गया. I know that you guys are going to write in the comment box, sir please वीडियो कर दीजिए. I'll do the video based on your demand. डिमांड रहेगी तो उसके ऊपर मैं सेपरेटली 10 20 मिनट्स के वीडियोस करवा दूंगा. ठीक है, YT पर. गवर्नमेंट स्कीम इंपॉर्टेंट है कैबिनेट अप्रूवल्स के साथ. आरबीआई MPC December 2025 monetary policy is most important. At least one question will come from this topic. News of national importance में cover करो. What were the recent changes made by the government of India in the parliament recently? Like, what is the new update regarding Manrega? Shanti bill was presented in the parliament. FDI update in the insurance sector. वो सारी चीजें आपको cover करनी है. International news में majorly summit. Recently, BRICS summit was conducted, ASEAN summit was conducted. One question of ASEAN we have seen in the last examination also. So summits आपको अच्छे से cover कर लेना है. That is the topic number 5. Sports is important particularly for the RRB examination. अगर हम बात करें RRB exam के लिए, sports is an important topic. At least 1 to 2 question you are going to see based on the venue, winner, mascot, award related to sport, who was recently awarded by this award in the sports field. तो ये वाले क्वेश्चन आपको स्पोर्ट्स में देखने के लिए मिलेंगे. यू शुड गिव प्रायोरिटी टू दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. कोई और एग्जाम होता है मैं मना कर देता हूं कि ठीक है, इफ यू आर एबल टू सी द हाइलाइट्स इज फाइन, बट आरआरबी क्लर्क्स है, यू हैव टू क्लर्क है, यू हैव टू गिव द टाइम टू दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. स्पोर्ट्स टॉपिक को कवर करो. In the hustle, if you are there, other important news, if you will open, we have covered this news there itself. वहां पर हमने कवर कर रखा है other important news topic में. Awards हैं रामसार साइड, यूनेस्को, वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइड, महारत्ना अपडेट, एग्रीकल्चर रिलेटेड स्कीम लाइक प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना, रिसेंटली देयर वाज एन अपडेट, एंड नेशनल पार्क इन द रिसेंट न्यूज. अगर कोई नया अपडेट आया रिगार्डिंग नेशनल पार्क, वहां से क्वेश्चन बनेगा. देन आफ्टर दैट दिस एरिया यू हैव डेफिनेटली कवर्ड फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ योर आरआरबी पीओ मेंस एग्जाम. आपने ये कवर किया होगा आरआरबी पीओ मेंस के लिए. प्रधानमंत्री किसान सम्मान निधि, फसल बीमा योजना, सुरक्षा बीमा योजना, जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना, मनरेगा, एग्रीकल्चर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फंड. दीज 5 टॉपिक्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट और आरआरबी पीओ में आपने कवर किया होगा. सो यू जस्ट नीड टू रिवाइज वन मोर टाइम. दीज आर द मेजर एरियाज एंड द मंथ विच यू नीड टू कवर एंड प्रिपेयर. ठीक है, नाबार्ड और आरआरबी का ये स्टैटिक पार्ट हो गया. नाबार्ड एंड आरआरबी रिलेटेड डेटा. एक क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, NABARD started according to which act? What is the authorized capital of NABARD? What is the paid up capital of NABARD? Where is the headquarter of NABARD? In which year NABARD was started? Date पूछ लेगा. This type of question you can expect. The static part. PDF will be available in this Telegram group, so you can join the Telegram group to get the PDF. Hustle 2.0 currently available at 279. Validity will be till 31st of March. So remember that you are joining this batch only for your RRB PO means examinations. RRB clerk means examination, not PO. RRB clerk means examination के लिए अगर आपको join करना है. And if you are preparing for next year also, our Bank Foundation batch is live. So join the batch, start your preparation where you will be able to get the courses of all faculties together at one place. So best package to join. Thank you for joining the session, guys. Take care. Jai Hind. All the